Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will review the legs on the wall pose. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for updates on my latest videos. The legs on the wall pose is a restorative and rejuvenating pose, and your only work in this position is to be inactive and allow your body to settle. The legs on the wall pose can help to relax all the muscles in your body to relieve tension and stress, especially in your legs and feet. It can calm the nervous system, which can relieve symptoms of anxiety. This pose can relieve fatigue and induce sleep. Legs on the wall pose can also stretch your hamstrings, glutes, and if you choose to lay with your legs wider apart in a V shape, it can also stretch your hips. This pose can also relieve strain on the sciatic nerve, lower back, neck, and shoulders, and can relieve menstrual cramps. So, if you're looking for a low effort yoga pose that can relieve strain on the body and relax your muscles, this is the video for you. So, let's begin. You will start seated with your legs out in front of you. Lie down on your side with your butt and legs touching the wall and get as close to the base where the floor and wall meet. Then turn onto your back and bring your legs up the wall. If you feel like you moved away from the wall when turning, you can scoot closer to the wall. Bring your legs straight together up the wall. Place your arms on the side of your body so you can rest your arms on the ground. Close your eyes and allow your entire body to relax. I don't feel like this pose should have a time limit. You should stay in it as long as you feel comfortable and your legs are not tingling or falling asleep. It is a very relaxing pose, and I have fallen asleep in this position when trying this pose at nighttime on my bed. But for the purpose of this video, we will hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, bend your knees in towards your chest and roll back onto your side. Then position your body back to lie down into Savasana. And that is how you do the legs on the wall pose.